Yo, what's up everyone? It's Omkar and welcome back to the channel. We're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. We've all seen the movies, robots going rogue, computers becoming sentient, but how much of that is actually true? Are robots really going to take over the world? Does AI already know everything about you? Today we're busting 5 big myths about artificial intelligence that might blow your mind. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's jump right into it with myth number 1, AI is gonna steal every single job out there. Okay, I get it, we see headlines about AI automating tasks and replacing jobs, and yeah, it's true, some jobs be automated, but here's the thing, AI is also creating entirely new industries and opportunities that didn't even exist before. Think about it. 20 years ago, did you ever think you'd have a job as a social media manager, a drone pilot, an app developer? AI disrupts, it shifts things around, but it also creates a whole new landscape for jobs and innovation. Think of AI as a powerful tool, not a job-stealing monster. Fields like art, education, leadership, and anything that requires that human touch, those aren't going anywhere. Next up is myth number 2, and this one's a big one. AI is smarter than humans. Now don't get me wrong, AI is incredibly powerful. It can process information faster than we ever could, recognize patterns we might miss, even beat world champions at games like chess and Go. But smarter than humans? Not quite. Here's the deal, AI relies on data. It learns from the information we feed it. Without the right data, without context, without that human understanding of the world, AI is basically just a really powerful calculator. AI can write a pretty convincing essay, but it can't understand the emotions behind the words. It can generate stunning artwork, but it doesn't feel the inspiration that an artist does. It can analyze data and make predictions, but it doesn't have the same common sense or intuition that humans do. True intelligence, the kind that allows us to adapt, to learn new things, to connect with each other on an emotional level, that's something AI hasn't quite cracked yet. Chapter 3. Myth number 3, AI can predict the future. Wouldn't it be nice if we could just ask an AI to tell us what's going to happen tomorrow, next week, next year? While it might seem like AI has some magical crystal ball, the truth is, it can't actually predict the future. It can make educated guesses, sure. It can analyze historical data, identify trends, and make predictions based on that information. But it can't account for the unexpected. Imagine trying to predict the weather. You can look at past weather patterns, temperature changes, wind speeds, and make a pretty good guess about whether it's going to rain tomorrow. But what if a volcano erupts on the other side of the world, spewing ash into the atmosphere and disrupting weather patterns? AI is kind of like that weather prediction system. It can make incredibly accurate predictions based on the data it has, but it can't account for those curveballs that life throws our way. The future is ultimately shaped by human choices, unpredictable events, and a whole lot of chaos. Chapter 4. Myth number 4, AI is only for tech-savvy people. You need to be a coding whiz, a tech genius, to even think about using AI. And that couldn't be further from the truth. AI is becoming more and more accessible every day. There are AI-powered tools for just about everything, from writing and design to education and business. You don't need to know how to code to use your smartphone, right? It's the same with AI. You've probably already used AI without even realizing it. Ever used a spam filter in your email? That's AI. Ask Siri or Alexa a question, AI again. There are tons of AI tools out there that are designed for everyone, regardless of your tech skills. Want to write better content? Check out Grammarly or Hemingway Editor. Need help designing graphics? Canva has some really cool AI features. Want to learn a new language? Duolingo's got you covered. AI is becoming more user-friendly, more intuitive, and more integrated into our everyday lives. Chapter 5, Myth number 5. AI is always right. Now this one's tricky because AI can seem like this all-knowing, super-intelligent being. But the truth is, AI can make mistakes. Remember what we talked about earlier? AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If you feed it biased data, it's going to produce biased results. If you train it on incomplete information, it's going to make inaccurate predictions. Think of it like this. You're trying to teach an AI to recognize different types of fruit. You show it 1,000 pictures of apples, and it gets really good at identifying apples. But then you show it an orange, and it says, that's a weird-looking apple. It's not that the AI is intentionally trying to be wrong, it's just that it's never seen an orange before. That's why it's so important to be critical of AI-generated content. Just because an AI wrote it, designed it, or predicted it, doesn't mean it's automatically correct. Double-check the information, use your own judgment, and don't be afraid to question the AI. So, there you have it. 5 big AI myths busted. Hopefully this video gave you a better understanding of what AI is really all about, its potential, its limitations, and how it's shaping our world. AI is a powerful tool, and like any tool, it's important to use it responsibly, ethically, and with a healthy dose of skepticism. What's one AI myth you've believed? Drop it in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to AI Genius Guide for more tech truths and AI insights. See you in the next one.